Thank you for checking out this video. To install Ubuntu, go to ubuntu.com and hit enter. You will see the button that says download Ubuntu desktop. I want you to click on that. You will then be presented with another screen that looks like this. Download Ubuntu 24.04.2. Click on the button. This screen tells you have completely downloaded Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS. Open your VirtualBox and click the plus sign highlighted in red here. You will see a screen similar to this. Enter the name of your VM. Enter the location where you want to store the virtual machine. Then go ahead and pull the ISO image that you downloaded and keep the rest of the setting as seen on the screen. On the second section, unattended install, enter your username and your password. Another information as seen on the screen here. This next screen is going to ask you to specify your base memory. In my case, I'm using 4 gig. As for the processor, I increased my processor count to 2, as you can see. On this screen, you will specify the storage that you want this virtual machine to use. In my case, I specified 50 gigabytes. Click Finish to start the installation. This installation takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Eventually, you'll be presented with a screen similar to this. I will just say exercise patience as the installation continues. At the end of the day, it will ask you to log in, as seen on the screen here. Select the option to try or install Ubuntu here. Installation will continue. Try to be patient. Eventually, it will bring you to the point where you select or choose the language you want your Ubuntu machine to use. Select the language you want the keyboard to use. Leave the default here, use wired connection. Select Install Ubuntu. Leave it as an interactive installation. Keep the default selection here. Install recommended proprietary software. I will say skip this for now. How do you want to install Ubuntu? Erase disk and install Ubuntu. That's the option you want to select since we are installing it brand new. At this point, go ahead and create your account. Specify your name, your computer name, the username and password you want to use for your computer. Specify your time zone. On this screen, review your choices. If everything is good, I want you to click Install. Click Restart Now and wait for Ubuntu to continue installation. If you see this message, please remove the installation medium, then press Enter. For you don't need to do anything. Eventually, it will bring you to the login page again. Enter your login information and hit Enter. On this screen, click Skip for now. On this screen, click Skip for now. For this option, I chose Do Not Share System Data. you will see the get started with more application. Just click finish here. Click the app launcher to launch the apps. Click the terminal to launch terminal. Enter the command you see on the screen just to see the version of Ubuntu you have loaded. This is consistent with the installation we did, which is 24.04.2 LTS.